Hey, it's Wayne here. Now, let me ask you something. Are you excited about AI, but totally unsure where to start? You keep hearing about how tools like ChatGPT can make your marketing easy, but every time you try, it just feels clunky or confusing. You sit down to use AI, and suddenly you're staring at a blank screen, or worse, you're cranking out content that sounds like a robot. And I get it, because I've seen this happen with so many people. Now, they're not lazy, they're not unmotivated, they're just lost in a chaos of tools, trends, and conflicting advice. And that's why Paul and I created AI Affiliate Goldmine. Now, it's not just another shiny tool that will overwhelm you. It's a clear path that removes the noise and actually gets results.
Hi, Paul here. Now, before I figured this out, I was stuck exactly where you might be right now. I knew AI was powerful, I could see the potential, but I didn't know how to actually use it to make money, like all the gurus talk about. So I started testing. I took Wayne's simple affiliate system and asked, how can I use AI to speed this up? And not just make content faster, but actually get traffic, grow a list, and make real commissions. The results? They showed up faster than I'd expected. People started engaging, leads started coming in, and sales started happening. And I was doing it way less time than before. It wasn't me that changed, it was the system that I put in place that changed everything. That's when Wayne and I realized we've got to turn this into a full training, because people need this, lots of people. Let's be real, many people are spinning their wheels with AI, trying to make it to do too much, too soon, and getting nowhere.
Exactly, we've both seen too many people give up on AI. Not because it doesn't work, but because nobody showed them how to actually use it in a way that builds income. So we built a system that solves that. AI Affiliate Goldmine is not just about generating content. It's about creating content that connects with people, drives traffic, and builds authority. Even if you're just starting out and have no audience yet. It's the shortcut that we wish we had when we started. No guessing, no coding, no pretending you're some kind of marketing guru, just step-by-step methods that remove all of the typical roadblocks.
Let me show you exactly how this works. It all comes down to 3 simple steps. Step 1 is to discover. You learn the process. The fact is, most people get stuck before they even get started. Not because they aren't trying, but because no one's showing them the actual path. In this first step, we walk you through the full strategy. You'll understand how to use AI to get traffic, build a list, and earn commissions, even if you're just starting from scratch. Step 2 is to deploy. You create with AI. This is where everything comes together. You'll use AI tools the right way. Not to crank out robotic content, but to create posts, emails, and blogs that sound like you and connect with real people. We give you proven templates and prompts, so there's no guesswork. You'll create faster, with more confidence. And step 3 is to deliver. You actually earn from it. Now you take what you've created and turn it into results. We show you how to use your content to drive traffic, grow your list, and generate commissions. This is where the system starts working for you without paying per ads, without complicated funnels, and without constant struggle. 3 steps. Clear, simple, and built to get you moving forwards today. Of course, we've included examples, templates, walkthroughs, everything we wish someone had handed us when we started. If you've been trying to make online income but nothing stuck, if you bought course after course that left you more confused, or if you're simply overwhelmed by the idea of using AI to grow a business, this is exactly what you've been missing.
Now let me be real with you. I've worked with thousands of people through the years, and most people don't fail because they don't try. They fail because they follow weak or even broken systems that were never built for beginners in the first place. Honestly, you don't need to be some kind of top-tier copywriter, a tech whiz, or some kind of marketing expert. You just need a proven path, and that's why AI Affiliate Goldmine gives you. We designed it so you can start today and make progress fast, even if you only have 15 minutes a day. Even if you've never made $1 online before, you follow the steps, you use the tools we show you, and you get results. To make it easy, we're offering this at a ridiculously low price during launch. Normally we'd charge $99 for this, and honestly, it's worth that and more. But today, you can get full access for the low price you see on this page right now. And that number, no, it's not a typo. That's our special launch deal we're offering right now because we've been where you are.
And this isn't one of those buy now, upsell later bait and switch games. When you grab AI Affiliate Goldmine today, you get everything you need. The full step-by-step training, the templates, the examples, the guidance, and we even throw in the commercial rights so you can turn this into a service if you want. We didn't cut corners, we packed it with value so you could win, even if everything else has failed you. And we're backing it all with a no questions asked, 100% money back guarantee. Try it, use it, see the results. If you don't like it, we don't want your money, but we do want your success.
So you've got two choices. You can keep winging it, hoping the next free tool or random prompt that you find in a reel finally cracks that code, or you can follow a proven plan that actually works. And AI isn't the future, guys. It's the now. And the sooner you get this working for you, the faster you'll build the momentum you've been chasing. Click the button below, get inside AI Affiliate Goldmine, and let's do this together.
We'll see you on the inside.